EarlyON Kitchen, bread in a bag. In a bag, add 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 packet of yeast, 1 cup of warm water. Seal the bag by pressing out all the air. Begin shaking and mixing the bag by hand. Set bag to rest for 10 minutes. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon salt. Continue in the same bag. Add the bowl of flour and salt and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Seal bag again, pressing out the air. Begin to shake. Again, using the same bag, add 1 cup flour. Seal bag again and mix for a final time. Shake, shake, shake. Place flour on a tray or countertop. Remove the dough from the bag. Knead dough for 5 to 10 minutes. Butter a loaf pan. Place the dough inside the loaf pan. Cover and place in a warm spot. Allow the dough 30 to 45 minutes to rise. Bake at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Ready to serve. Delicious. Thank you for watching.